Happy morning, children. We will start with practice set 1.4 question 1. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Now, the given two equations, if you see, the variables are in the denominator x and y. So, these are non-linear equations. So, how are we going to solve them? We will be creating new variables and we will substitute those new variables in the given equations and we will form a linear equations. Okay, so what we will do here, 2 upon x means, I'll just make you understand here, 2 into 1 by x is 2 upon x minus 3 into 1 by y is 3 upon y is equal to 15. Same way here also 8. This is no need to write, just to make you understand I'm writing it for the first example. And these type of sums we have already done in 9th standard also. Plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. So now what we will do, substitute, or we can write put m is equal to 1 by x and n is equal to 1 by y in the given equations. In equations, I'll just put here 1 and this as 2. In equations 1 and 2. So we will get, now 1 by x means m I'll put. 2 into m minus 3 into n is equal to 15. Same way here, 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. So now we have changed the variables m and n. So this will be our third equation and this will be our fourth equation. So this way first we will form the equations. Here I wrote directly 2m minus 3n is equal to 15. So this is third and this is fourth. Now what we will do, our own method which we have been applying for so many examples. What we need to do, first we have to see what are the coefficients given. We want equal and opposite. Opposite, no problem, we can change the sign. But whether the coefficients of any of the variables are equal. For variable m, the coefficient is 2 and here it is 8. And for variable n, the coefficient here is plus 5 and here it is minus 9. So what to do? Any one variable you take and see that their coefficients become equal and opposite. So I would prefer to take variable n and its coefficients are here plus 5 and here minus 3. So opposite signs we have already got. Correct? So now we have to just get the numerical, then part same. So 5 here and 3. So multiples of 3 and 5. What it will be? Multiples of 3 means in 3's table what number comes? Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. And multiples of 5 we have to take. Because signs we have already got opposite only. So no problem. 1 minus 1 plus. Now only the number should be same. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. So now what is the least common multiple? 15. That is LCM is 15. So once we have got LCM 15, here we have to get 15 and here also have to get 15. So to get 15, I have to multiply by 5. And here to get 15, I have to multiply by 3. So multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 3. we will get 15 and 15. Signs are already opposite given. So we will write multiply equation third by 5. So we will get 2m minus 3n into 5 is equal to 15 into 5. That will be 10m minus 15n is equal to 75. This will be our fifth equation. Then multiply equation 4 by 3. So we will get 3 into bracket 8m plus 5n is equal to 77 into 3. So we will have here 8 3s are 24m plus 15n is equal to 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 23. So we got 231. So this is our sixth equation. Now already we have got 5 3s are 15n. I have to write here 24m plus 15n is equal to 231. This is the sixth sum. So we are getting fifth and sixth, here minus 15n and here plus 15n. So we will just add them because we don't have to change the signs. So we will write equation 5 plus equation 6. So here I have added equation 5 and 6. Here no sign plus, no sign plus. Now 24 plus 10 is 34m. Here 0 is equal to 5 plus 1 6, here 10 and here 3, 306. So m is equal to 306 upon 34. Therefore m is equal to, we will get answer C, 34 into, now 6 is in unit place, right? So we know 9 4s are 36. So 9 4s are 36. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3, 30. So your answer is 9. So m is equal to 9. Now put the value of m in any equation which you find it easier and get the value of n. So we are put m is equal to 9 in equation 5. Which is the fifth equation? This one. 10m minus, first I will write the equation. 10m minus 15n is equal to 75. So the value of m is 9. So 10 into 9 minus 15n is equal to 75. 10 nines are 90 minus 15n is equal to 75. Now what we can do? Minus 15n we will keep it to LHS only and take this 90 to RHS. So sign will change. Here plus sign is there. Take it to LHS. So take it to RHS. Sign will change. You will get minus 90. So 75 minus 90 is minus 15 because the signs are different. Subtraction, put the sign of greater number. So we will get minus 15n is equal to minus 15. So n is equal to minus 15 upon minus 15. That will be minus into minus plus. So minus divided by minus will be plus only. 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15. So n we have got as 1. Now we have to resubstitute. Resubstitute the values. Resubstitute the values of m and n. Means what? What did we take? We took m as 1 by x. Also, originally what we want, the value of x and y we want. We had done it through the method equation reducible form, like from non-linear to linear we made. So the actual values which we have to find is x and y. For time being, what did we do? We took m is equal to 1 by x. So that to get that value, we have to again resubstitute it. So here, so what did we take m as? M as what did we take? 1 by x. So again we have to write this. M is equal to 1 by x. What is the value of m? M value is 9. That you have to resubstitute. Is 1 by x. Cross multiply. You will get 9x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 9. Then this side I will just write it down. N we have taken it as 1 by y. Correct? So n value we have got it as 1. 1 is equal to 1 by y. So cross multiply. Y is equal to 1. So we have got the solution of the given equation. What is the solution? These are the variable x and y. Okay? Is equal to, what did we get? X as 1 by 9 and y as 1. Okay? Is the solution. This is the way you have to solve.